Hi everyone. I was just thinking about brokenness and I was just thinking about vulnerability and how important it is for embrace that. How important it is for us to embrace all the parts of us, the broken parts and the good parts. With my coaches, I call it the glory and the mess, owning the glory and the mess, so that no part stays abandoned. And today I just wrote a few things, so I just thought, let me just read that out to all of you in this heart to heart sharing. We are all broken by something, we are all hurt by someone, and at the same time, we also hurt others. We all share the condition of brokenness, even if our brokenness is not the same. It's different for everyone. But our brokenness is also the source of our common humanity. It ties us all together. It is the basis for our shared search for comfort, for meaning, for healing, for happiness. Our shared vulnerability and imperfection gives us the opportunity to be open and choose compassion over judgment, whether we judge others or we judge ourselves. Judgment is the same. It breaks a piece of ourselves away. It disassociates ourselves from what we think is one. We have a choice to embrace our broken natures or to deny it. And that is where we make a choice to stay or to move forward. So I just want to invite all of you to embrace your brokenness. I just want to invite all of you to look at those parts that hurt, to look at those parts that you're not proud of, to look at those parts that you constantly judge, whether they're inside you or you're finding it in other people. I know these are difficult times. I understand it sometimes brings out the worst in all of us. But how can we embrace brokenness? How can we learn to forgive? And how can we learn to move on? That is a journey and a rewarding one. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye and see you soon.